Hi, this is Stacy, and in this clip I will show you some ideas for preschool Valentine crafts. The first idea is to make a stuffed heart. First step is to cut out 2 hearts of the same size. You can decorate them first, paint them, or add stickers. Next, you're going to staple it, not all the way around, just on the sides. You can always add more staples later. Next, you're going to stuff it with cotton balls or newspaper. And then you're going to finish it by stapling it shut. And now we have a stuffed heart. Another idea is to make a stained glass heart. You will need tissue paper cut up into little pieces, and you will need laminating film or contact paper or packing tape will work. You're going to leave the sticky side up, and you're just going to sprinkle the tissue paper on there. And you can either get another piece of laminating film or what you're using and put it on top, or I'm just going to fold it. Next, you're going to cut out your heart. I went ahead and just drew a heart so it was easier to cut it out. Now we have our stained glass heart. You can use any color of tissue paper, and you can also punch a hole and hang it in a window. The last tip is to make a random paint heart. You will need to cut a heart out, and you'll need a fold in the middle. And then you're just going to take paint and paint one side. And you can make any design you want. And then you're just going to fold it over. And the kids will see how it makes it on the other side of the heart.